Have you ever had a bike stolen from you? Well, I have plenty of times. We have a 12-volt battery running to the seat. And can you guess what the seat is? It's a motherfucking airbag.
Later.
Oh my god! Oh fuck, you got torn up! Wait till he starts riding. Oh yeah. Oh fuck! What is he doing? Infinity and be
Hold on.
Here you go. Oh shit. Oh.
Dude, to infinity and beyond!
This guy's looking at it. Looking at that seat. What the fuck is that? Take it, please.
Oh, fuck. 5.
I'll tell you when.
4.
Hold on.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, go.
Lift off.
Oh no! Look at you. No more stealing for you, bud. Oh, so fun. Someone's on it. Hey, yo, buddy. It's not nice to steal. Oh my god! Oh my god! You gotta get the fuck out of here! Oh fuck! Oh shit! Hey guys, we are giving away 5 hoverboards. All you gotta do is visit twinz.com to enter and follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and subscribe to our vlog channel and our main channel. It's that easy, and we're shipping these babies worldwide. So go do it now. Visit twinz.com.
God, to infinity and beyond.
Hold on. Here you go.
Oh shit. Oh.